Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be something a little different. Not really different because I've done this before, but I want to get back into doing it on a consistent basis. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys 3 different ways that I style my Bottega Veneta tire boots using items from my closet. You guys see I have a lot of clothes, I have a lot of things, I buy a lot of things, so I was like, let me go ahead and start styling stuff from my closet so you guys can see like how I think and different things that you can do in your outfits too, to just, you know, put your pieces together so you can create a look. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So special shout out to a subscriber by the name of, I think her name was Holly. I'll go ahead and put the comment on the screen, but she commented under my unboxing and review of the Bottega Veneta tire boots, and she was like, show us how to style these boots. And I said, ISIS bet. So that's what we're doing in today's video. Before we get started, I wanted to address today's look, just so you guys know. My hair is in a day 3 twist out using the TGIN curl food. I'll have it linked down below. My makeup is just a basic makeup face. I will link the video up above where you guys can find more details. And my lip is Bite Beauty Tamarind with a brown lip liner. And that's basically my look. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 3 different outfits, 3 different, like, you know, themes type of thing, and I will be linking all of the items in today's video that are available down below. If it's unavailable, I'll leave something similar down below so you guys can have options and enjoy. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know what you guys think of the style of the video. Let me know down below. Do y'all want to see more of this? Do y'all did y'all get anything from this video? Comment and let me know. But I'll go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video now, and yeah.
Hey guys, so before we get into the outfits, I did want to give you guys a brief update on my Bottega Veneta tire boots. So if you guys did not see my full unboxing and first impressions video, I'll link that up above. But I have been loving these boots. I do not regret this purchase at all. The sizing is perfect. They're not heavy at all, and they're super comfortable. I can have them on for hours. I can wear socks with them. I can wear them with no socks. These are my boots, okay? I love them so much, but I wanted to give you guys that update just so you guys know. Now let's go ahead and get into the outfits. So for outfit number 1, I wanted to go for something more brunch friendly, girls night friendly. This outfit can be worn during the day and at night, which I absolutely love. One thing about me, and I'm sure you guys can relate to, I love an all black outfit, but I've been challenging myself to add in color as I wear all black. So this outfit details is this mock neck tier dress and this tier NYC times P Studio scarf with my Seesaw and black Bottega Veneta tire boots. And I'm also wearing my Prada re-edition bag. I took the strap off of it just to give the bag a nice simple touch. I love this outfit. So first of all, the dress fits like a glove. You can recreate this outfit using any long sleeve black bodycon dress, but this tier NYC dress, baby, she makes several points. The scarf and the boots, I feel like gave the outfit a nice touch of color without doing too much, and I absolutely love this scarf. It's super warm, so if you're looking for something to just throw over you in the fall season, even in like early winter, y'all need this scarf. And Tier is also having a 50% off sale right now for Tiervember, so make sure you guys shop Tier. It's a black owned brand. All of the links for everything in this video will be down below, but I absolutely love this outfit. When y'all see me wear this scarf 50 million times, just know that's my favorite scarf right now. So for outfit number 2, I wanted to do something a little bit more cash. I can wear something like this to say a Target, but I can also wear something like this to brunch. So I paired my Bottega Veneta sea salt and black tire boots with this quilted patchwork jacket that I had picked up from Nordstrom, a pair of blue jeans from Topshop, my YSL envelope crossbody bag, and this beautiful pop of orange turtleneck. So I decided to put this turtleneck on with the jacket because I felt like the pop of color from the turtleneck brought out the colors from the jacket. The jacket has navy blues, it has like forest green, and to me it could be kind of flat, but with me putting on this pop of orange turtleneck, it brought out the yellows, the brighter blues, and the oranges from the jacket, which I absolutely loved. Pair of jeans, basic, no rips, no distress detail, none of that. I just feel like it gave the outfit a nice clean look. I did also put on some simple gold hoop earrings because since the color of the turtleneck is kind of doing a lot, I wanted to leave that as the one item of my outfit that's doing the most, and everything else just complements that. So just a styling tip, when you have a piece of your outfit, whether it be an accessory, a clothing item that's doing a lot, you want to make sure that's the star of the show, okay? You don't want nothing else. You don't want nobody else stealing her shine. So make sure that you have that one item on and you're not over accessorizing. You're not having too many pops of items in your outfit. For outfit number 3, I wanted to do something more trendy. So I decided to go for this, you can say like 70s type of vibe. I paired my sea salt and black Bottega Veneta boots with this yin yang sweater vest that I picked up from Topshop. This fringe studded leather jacket that I picked up from Mango years ago. And these pants that I also picked up from Topshop. And I'm wearing my Average Citizen bag because if you know me, you know that's my favorite bag right now. But I just felt like this outfit was such a vibe, like such a vibe. Like everything about it, the fringes on the jacket, a little shank moment, you know what I'm saying? The pants fit amazing, like they do the glutes justice. And also I'm able to put the pants over my boots, which I love because it gives the boots like a different look, because you can't see like the height of the boot behind the details of these pants. So I absolutely loved this look. It just gave me everything. And then my fro, I feel like it just tied everything together. Like when I really wear this outfit, I definitely need to have my hair in an afro because I feel like it just pulled the whole look together. But these are 3 different ways that I would style my Bottega Veneta boots. If you guys are considering picking up these boots, I would highly recommend. They're super comfortable. As you guys hopefully were able to see in this video, they are super versatile, so you can wear them to dress them up, you can wear them to dress them down, and you can get your coins worth, because if y'all know me, that is the most important thing when I buy a pricey item. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what your favorite outfit from this video was. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos where I show you guys like how to style one item from my closet in like different ways. Comment down below and let me know, because we can definitely do this again, because I definitely have fun recording and editing this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions, anything that's on your mind. Leave it down below. As I mentioned, all links to items included in this video will be in the description box. If the item is sold out, I will try to find an alternate item so that you guys can pick that up as well. But until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Mwah.